What's up everyone, welcome back to Ford Adventures. It's Hong once again, and today it is cold out. It is minus 15 or so with the wind chill, and I did not want to make this video out there in the garage, so I'm taking it inside today. So we got some mail from Redline Tuning, and it's their QuickLIFT hood system version 2. Version 1 required some drilling into the hood, which I'm glad they updated this one so we don't have to do that and deal with the drilling. So let's see what's in the package. Some bracketry, I believe this is. And we got some instructions. Some colored instructions in this plastic sleeve. Very nice. Not every day you get colored instructions these days, but it is very nice. Pretty straightforward, looks like. All right, so we have two gas springs right here. Here you go, in this nice sleeve. Look at this. Woo. And then you have two hood bracket assemblies, which are these pieces right here. Now these just slide into a pre-existing cutouts on the side of the hood, and then you just screw them in. So in the previous version, you had to do some drilling, depending where you want it, and then you did your drilling. But now you don't have to. Just use the pre-existing cutouts, slide them in, and screw them in. And then let's see what else we got. We got two fender brackets. Again, these just use pre-existing screws, and they are all 10 millimeter socket. So that's all you need, 10 millimeter socket, and you can get this all done. No drilling at all. Fantastic. That's what I like. So that's that, and then we have the hood strap itself. Pretty solid. All right, but yeah, here's a closer look of it. Hope it focus. Right here you have your quick release clip that you just slide up, and this will allow you to disconnect the hood when you want to push it back onto the window itself. So pretty straightforward. Looks like probably, let's say, a 10 to 15 minute job. Hopefully nothing gets in the way. But this is a premium, folks. This hood strut, I had to think twice, but you know what? Better get something that's reliable compared to any other of those other products on Amazon. The other ones that you can find are roughly around $50 to $60 the most, and they all require drilling. So this is the only one that I found that didn't require drilling at all, and all you do is just bolt onto the existing cutouts, and you're done. Yeah, but I did pay for it. This came out to be about 130 Canadian pesos. So yeah, hey, guess what you pay for what you get. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see how many steps there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 steps in total. So yeah, about 15 minutes or so, and get this done. All right, guys. So time to get out there. Time to bundle up and tackle this quick job. All right, I'll see you guys out in the garage and go from there. All right, guys, let's get the show on the road. Got the hood propped up. Can't wait to get rid of this the strut here. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is put on this bracket, which goes right here. So it's gonna unscrew this, and then this goes on this way, and just make sure this little end piece, focus, this little end there it sits close to the this part here. It fits snug so it doesn't wobble around. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew this and then put this here, and do the same for that side. Alright, now this piece, this bracket, what we want to do is just remove one screw. Let's leave it here. And then this, you want to slide this into this slot right here. So you want to slide it in there and then screw it back in. So it's pretty straightforward. You just have to tighten that up a little bit. Right. Fingers are cold. Pretty straightforward. Took just a little bit of wiggling to get it in, get the little metal piece to slide in. All right, so you want to attach the larger end here up to the top, and then this just pops in. Like that. And then I am going to pop on the other side. Got both sides attached except the bottom portion. Just left it like that. It's a little tight here. The spot, it's a little tight. Wasn't thinking about this earlier, but hopefully this works. Hopefully it doesn't impede with my little on and off button when I close this. But before I actually attach this, that, I will have to detach this, move the hood up back a little bit, and just clip on the sides there. So it should be pretty quick. Let's see, how would I do this one-hander? Can I do this with one hand? Just put you down here. Oh, gonna get in the way here. Let's see. Let's get here. That, and that is it. It's actually holding up, as you can see. It's a little tight right here with all this going on, the dual battery and all that. Hopefully I can still get to the little tab here to disconnect this. But yeah, it's just a little tight. I might have to clean up the wiring. Probably have to push this loom. Actually move the loom underneath here. But I could probably do that a little bit later, and should be pretty quick. Hopefully this doesn't get in the way of my switch here, or my on and off switch for my KC lights, hood lights. Gonna have to see if that actually closes. Let me just go over here. I can put this here, just leave this here, don't need to remove it. Alright, so let me just turn this off. Alright, there's a little bit of rubbing when I close the hood with the wire and this part here. So what I'm going to do is disconnect that, move it over to this terminal here, and hopefully this doesn't get in the way of this, and I can push this down a little further. Quick swap there on the terminals. Did a quick open and close, and it doesn't get in the way, so this is good. But eventually I will clean this up and move this underneath this bracket here. I didn't realize that there was a gap here, a large enough gap for this loom here. So gonna do this when it's a little bit warmer. It's pretty cold right now, and then have this routed under. And yeah, maybe one day I'll remove this and swap it onto my S-Pod and turn it on from inside. But it is easier when it's here. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick install. It literally took about 15-20 minutes. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you on the next one. All right, ciao.